So you see how rough this Toro snowblower is running here. This is a simple fix, guys. A lot of machines you buy brand new will do this. The reason for that is because these carburetors run way too lean. So in this video here, I will show you how to fix that quickly. So first of all, grab yourself a nice slotted screwdriver. Now on this machine, the carburetor is located right behind this plastic part here. And you don't need to take off the whole cover here to access that little screw. I'll just get a flashlight, show you where that screw is. So if I reach in with my screwdriver, it's this plastic screw right here. I've got my screwdriver on it. You can see it there. So what you need to do is take that screw right out. Now if you drop it, look underneath the snowblower because it's just going to go under there. You don't want it to disappear on you. What works good to retrieve that screw is a long pair of needle nose pliers. Now you can disconnect the spark plug boot if that makes it easier for you. Next, you want to go in with your screwdriver and pop this piece out of the carb. So you just grab it from underneath, just like that. And I'm going to reach in with the pliers again and extract the piece. This is the small jet here. Now what you want to do is grab a micro drill bit. You can buy these bits on Amazon. I buy the Blue Point ones from the Snap-on truck. It comes in a kit like this. There's the part number. These are by far way better quality bits, but you can't use all of them for these jets here. Typically, you can get away by using the 3 bits over here without enlarging it too big. So that would be about 0.0225 thousandths of an inch up to 0.0280 thousandths of an inch. So right now in my little tool here, I've got the smallest bit right here, which is the 0.0225. They're also flexible. This one's been bent a bit, but it still works. I use them till they're completely done. And then what I do is I just go in here and enlarge the hole. And a lot of these machines come out of the factory surging like this because of environmental restrictions. So what you do is you kind of drill right through there, and then you're going to pop and see the drill bit through the hole right there. And keep your bit nice and steady. When the bits are new, they work better. So I've gone right through here. So you'll see the bit go right through there. That's going to give it a lot more air, and you'll see the surging will be gone. And now you want to get it back in the carb, so I'm just going to go in with the pliers. Now you can take off the carburetor covers if that makes it easier for you. I just find it quicker this way. It takes me a bit longer when I'm doing the video, but typically it's very quick because I do a lot of them, because they mostly all show up in the shop like this. So make sure that this part, the little jet, is pushed in all the way down on the carb. Now what I usually do is put the screw like this in my screwdriver. And of course want to get it in there straight. There, I think I got it. So then screw it back in as far in as it was before. This is your idle screw. You can always adjust that later. Now you could also drill a hole straight through here to be able to access the screw more easily. It will not affect anything at all. So I'll start up the machine here and the surging should be gone. So that did the trick, guys. It's that simple. This machine will be sent back to the customer, may or may not be used for a month or so. So what I will do is I'm going to add some True Fuel in there. This is the 4-cycle. Then I know I will not get a call in a month or two saying my machine won't start. So I'll put that in, run it for a bit. Oh, I made a little mess there. This is great stuff, by the way. I put it in every single customer's machine here when it leaves the shop after I've had to do any carburetor work or service the engine. And remember, guys, the same principle will apply to most overhead valve engine machines out there. They will have a similar carburetor that if your machine is surging, just find where that little jet is, pretty well in the same area, even if you have a different brand of machine, and just do exactly what I did. Thanks for watching and have a great day.